Hi, you're watching Infrared. If you could share and subscribe and all the usual, it'd be much appreciated. Obviously, a lot of you will know infrared.co.uk are a supplier of ghost hunting equipment in the UK, Europe and around the world. So we're just demonstrating here one of our spirit boxes. It's like a Reverb portal, and it's got our new AV indicator in, which we're just demonstrating now. So as you can see, if you're communicating with the box yourself and asking questions, you can actually see your own voice. It'll pick that up. Likewise, it's sensitive to vibrations. So it's like a less sensitive geophone in some respects. So we'll just show you the box in action now. It's one of our seek and store boxes, so it will scan regional bands by pressing this and holding this button. So all the modules are inside, but there's a little hole where you can see the radio module in the back. So when you press and hold that, you'll see it store and scan anywhere between 25-35 stations, depending where you are and whether or not you've got the antenna at the back extended, so you can like tune or detune the box. So the box is ready, set up. We'll add a little bit of volume. So as I say, it's scanned and stored the channels, and it'll just repeat those, and the audio snippets will come up as you see here. And then the portal style reverb can be added. So we can actually change this box so it increments through the FM radio band, so in 0.1 megahertz steps. So it'll do that. The speed can be adjusted to suit your liking, but once we leave the boxes built, we leave them set up. So this box will be going on sale in March 2019, along with our other portals. We've also got one with Tesla plating, which generates negative ions, so it'll energise spiritual activity as well. So we'll just show you how to retune. So if we turn the reverb down, if you press and hold this button on the left for about 5 to 10 seconds, you'll hear it break the sweep, and it'll start to sweep those stations, and it'll stay on each station a lot longer. So I'll be sweeping those and picking them up, and then after about a minute to 2 minutes, depending on how many stations there are, it will start to play those back. So we've got the auto scan tune, we've got reverb, and this side we've got volume. Okay, that's the demo over. So appreciate you watching our channel. As was suggested, if you could share this as much as you can, like and subscribe our channel, get it on the social media networks. We've just launched our new site, so in February 2019 the new site was up and running. I'll just move the camera, I'll show you the link to the site. So it's infrared If you've got any comments, just drop them below. It'd be good to hear from you all. Thanks for your support.